So good morning everyone. Today I will be telling you about one of the most fiercest battles that Indian Army has fought till date. It is the Battle of 1971 between India and Pakistan. So Indian Army, it was headed by General Manekshaw, who was later promoted to the rank of Field Marshal. Talking about Pakistan, they were having General Yahya Khan. In East Pakistan, the commanders were Lieutenant General Jagjit Singh Arora from Indian Army and Lieutenant General A.K. Niazi from Pakistan. So this war ended by capturing 93,000 prisoners of war, and these were the highest number of prisoners ever captured after World War II. Indian Army won this war in just 15 days, and we were given a deadline of 1 month, whereas Indian Army completed this whole mission in just 15 days. So this shows the fierceness of this battle. So first of all, why this war was started? The first reason is that earlier Pakistan was divided into East Pakistan and West Pakistan. So those people who were living in East Pakistan, that is the present day Bangladesh, they constituted 70% of the whole population of Bangladesh. Whereas the funds that were given to them, they were just 30 to 40%. So their lives were full of misery, poverty and everything that occurs because of lack of money. Also, they faced discrimination by those who were living in West Pakistan. So they didn't liked it. Also, there were many protests against this thing, but nothing happened. And second was that in 1971, a fresh election took place in that the then idol of Bangladesh, that was Mujibur Rahman, he won in those elections. He was having a complete majority, but those people, those top brass politicians, they didn't allow Mujibur Rahman to make his own government. He was jailed, and after that, protests broke out in East Pakistan. And after that, General Yahya Khan and the President of Pakistan, they started a mission in which their main motive was to suppress the protests that were going on in East Pakistan, and army was called in. So when army was called in, 4 lakh to 6 lakh people died in the massacre that took place. Women were raped, children and teenagers, they also were killed, and many rebellion forces that were started by Pakistan and funded by Pakistan also, they also started killing. So after that, many refugees from East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, started coming towards India, and they started living in India as refugees, which was not like by Indira Gandhi, because they were all the resources that India was having, they were just getting out of stock. So Indira Gandhi then went to United Nations, from where she didn't got any help. After that, Indira Gandhi asked the then general, that is General Manekshaw, he asked him to start a war so that we can end this for once. So the war started. It didn't start in April, because at that time it was not favorable for Indian Army to fight. But in late December, the war started. The first attack, it was done by Pakistani Air Force. And after that, Indian Army never looked back. They just attacked on Pakistan, both East and West Pakistan. And also, in just 15 days, the whole East Pakistan was captured. Also, many people surrendered because they knew that even if they did something, they are just going to lose their life. This battle, it is one of the most fiercest, because Indian Air Force, Indian Army and Indian Navy, they together participated in 1971 war and defeated Pakistan. So the main reasons why Indian Army fought this war, it was that Indian Army was well prepared for the war. Indian Army prepared for the war. For the last 6 months, they were having a quite good ammunition also. Their weapons were good, and also the plan that they were going to execute, that was well planned. Second reason was that our army, they were really very motivated to liberate East Pakistan, because news were coming that women are being raped, the teenagers are being killed, and there is no mercy shown by Pakistani soldiers. So this was the second motivation. This was why Indian Army wanted to defeat, because they wanted to end the misery that is going on in the East Pakistan. So in the end, Indian Army won, and we just completed this whole mission in 15 days, which shows the power and great determination of Indian Army. So in the end, I would like to say that Pakistan has always tried to defy India, always tried to deceive India, but has never been successful in their mission. And I think that Indian Army is also currently Indian Army can now also defeat Pakistan, because right now also we are having superiority in both ammunition, in both army, in every sphere if we look at. So that is all. Thank you.